I'm in your hands, Chairman.
Yes, thank you very much for giving us this time, Minister. A lot of staff in our office at the LTA has been touched by what they've seen, the destruction and all that. In fact, our own office in Rehabilitation and other places have suffered a lot of damage. Not only the office, but the staff themselves. Some of the houses are blown off and all that. And so what CEO has decided to the initiative, he asks all the staff, including all the board members and management, if they want to contribute in some way. And what they came up with, they say we can sell our leave. So a lot of people have this 2 weeks leave, yearly leave, weekly leave. And so what the staff have done, some of them have given 1 week's leave, 2, 3, 4 weeks. And as a result of that, we have collected something about $40,000. And so out of that money, we have taken about $2,000 or $3,000 so that we can buy a food package for the staff that have been affected. And the balance can go to the Prime Minister's relief fund.
Thank you very much.
And this is the check inside there.
Well, this is very much appreciated, and I think, as the Honourable Prime Minister said this morning, when launching the Flash Fund through the UN system, that we have seen the resilience of the Fijian people, and some places people held up banners saying, we are stronger than Winston.
Yeah.
And I think, whilst some people may think, well, $35,000 is not as much as 100,000 or 50,000, but the fact is, in fact, that's a lot of money. In particular, when you have individuals, not businesses, but individuals who have gone to the extent of selling their leave. So it is a huge amount and huge contribution, and we'd like to thank, of course, all the individual staff members of LTA who have gone ahead and sold their leave and raised these funds, and also, of course, for the fact that they, are concerned about their own fellow staff members and helping them build. And I think that is one of the things that we all need to be cognizant of, that as employers, that sometimes we want the services to be provided, but some of your own people, in fact, have been affected. And some of them, their homes have been completely destroyed, or the only thing that they've got dry on them is the clothes that they dried on their backs. Everything else is wet or drenched and all blown away. So thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
Very much appreciated.
Thank you.
And with this money, of course, will be put to good use.
Good use, yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.